Okay, clip 97% is change. So this is probably one of the most important in terms of real life. After increase and decrease of a percentage topic that's relevant to real life. Talk about a lot of the time about what percentage might something change by. So the first part of this is about multipliers. So at the minute, it says what number would you multiply by to get a certain increase in percentage. So really quickly, 100% as a decimal is 1. If I wanted to increase by 10%, that means I'd have 110%. That would be the same as 1.1. If I said I wanted 150%, that would be the same as 1.5. So can you see what I've done here? Each time you are to change from percentage to a decimal, dividing by 100. So if I want to increase by 50%, that would make 150%. That's the same as 1.5 as a multiplier. So what about decrease then? So if I wanted 90%, follow the same pattern, that's a decrease of 10%. I'd have 90% left. Divide by 100, which would be 0.9. So let's have a look. What number should go in this space? Multiplying by 1.15 is the same as increasing by. So if I go times by 100, I would get 115%. So what if I increase by? We'll start with 100, add 15. Okay, right, so second part to this is working out percentage change. So the key formula for working out percentage change is the actual change divided by, and this is really important, the original amount. So it's the one that's first times by 100. So let's use that formula. Work out percentage change when a price of £10 is increased to £14. So the actual change is £4. You're dividing it by the original amount. You started with 10, and then you times by 100. Well, you should know 4 over 10 as a percentage is 40%. That's 40% increase. Second one, work out percentage change when a price of 65 is decreased to 39. So again, actual change, 65 take away 39. That's 26. So 26 is the actual change. Original amount is 65, not 39, 65. So 26 over 65 times 100. And that's where you can get your calculator. So 26 divided by 65 times 100. So again, that one's 40%. Next one, work out percentage change to 2 decimal places, so it's going to be a decimal at the end, when a price of 15 is decreased to 14. So go back to the formula again, actual change. Well, the actual change is £1. The original amount went from 15 to 14, so the original amount was 15. Let's go over that again. So 15 take away 14 is £1, that's the actual change. So the actual change is 1 from the formula. The original amount was £15, that's the one afterwards. So you started with 15 and then times by 100 to turn it into a percentage. So 1 divided by 15 times by 100 is 6.6 recurring. So it says, can you put it as 2 decimal places? So remember what we do to 2 decimal places. Dotted line after the second decimal place. Check this one, is it 5 or more? Yes it is, so the one before it goes up by 1. That would change to a 7. So that would be 6.67%. Okay, now your turn to have a go.